Runkeeper Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're trying to get fit or track your runs, Runkeeper promises to help you reach your goals, but how effective is it really? One of the biggest pros is GPS tracking. Most people get this wrong by thinking all running apps are equal. Runkeeper accurately records distance, pace and route, giving you real-time feedback while you run. The app also offers goal setting and personalized training plans. You can set distance or pace goals, follow beginner to advanced plans, and get audio cues during workouts. This helps keep you motivated and on track for improvement. Another advantage is integration. Runkeeper connects with popular fitness trackers, smart widgets, and health apps, allowing you to consolidate your progress. Social features like challenges and friend tracking add a fun, competitive edge. However, there are cons. Some users report that GPS can drift in dense urban areas or heavily wooded trails. Premium features require a subscription, which may be a downside for casual users. Additionally, occasional app crashes have been reported during long runs. In conclusion, Runkeeper is a reliable tool for runners looking to track performance and stay motivated. The surprising truth is that while it excels at detailed tracking and goal management, premium features and occasional GPS inaccuracies mean it's best for committed runners rather than casual joggers. For anyone serious about running or integrating fitness data across devices, Runkeeper provides valuable insights, motivation and structure. Check your GPS accuracy if you run in tricky terrain.